What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Gala games, currently sitting at 0.04689. We're seeing that pullback that we were looking for. It says we're up 7.8% on the day. What? 24-hour volume 1.46 billion. Market cap 1.46 billion. 24-hour volume 131 million. So we caught a couple shorts on the way down for our friend Gala Games. My trade signals are free, not only for crypto, but as well as Forex. I'm trading gold every day. Been doing really well, as well as a little bit of US 30. Stick around to the end of the video to gain access. So we're looking for that pullback after the 5-way move. We have a nice ABC correction. Now, we may see a little bit of a bounce and then come down and create a lower low. Taking a look at Bitcoin. Looks like BTC will at least see one more low before the bounce. Of course, anything can happen. So if that does happen, we could see, a straight drop from here. Your levels to watch, the 61.8, 0.04268, the 78.6, right around 0.04088. Those are the two levels to watch for a bounce. If we get a significant bounce off the pullback zone, I will likely take a long trade and a signal will be given in the Discord. And of course, as I've been showing you guys on the weekly chart, we're just holding that bullish cross, that strong support, consolidating, going through a correction, very normal in the crypto space. This is when a lot of people quit, a lot of the newbies, because they can't handle watching the price just slowly come down for weeks on end. But that's crypto, it's not for everybody, and that's how the market moves. So a beautiful time to be DCAing, in my opinion. Of course, it's not financial advice. Warren Buffett has a record amount in cash right now, and every time he does that, there's a huge stock market crash within 12 months. So keep that in perspective. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at for Gala in the short term. I do think we'll come a little bit lower, but we may see a little bit of a bounce first. Of course, we can get a straight breakout, but if we get a significant break to the upside, I will be looking to take a long trade, and a signal will be given in the Discord. If you want completely free access, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. This is where I'm trading Gala. Make your first deposit. It can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. Send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, as well as Forex signals, which I'm giving daily. I'm trading Forex more than I trade crypto because it moves better. It's more predictable. But I have started trading Gala once again. So if you want free access, sign up to BITUNIX, make your first deposit. Send me an email. If you do not wish to go that route, it's $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.